So look at problem 1. It gives us a system. It doesn't ask us to solve it. It says, hey, which of these is a solution? Now, you and I would know how to solve that. We would use substitution, but it just wants you to check, hey, which of these is a solution? So is 4, 5 the solution? Well, if we plug 4 in for the x and 5 in for the y, let's see. Here's 5 for y, 4 for, it works for that one, but does it work for this one? Does 4 plus 5 equal 7? The answer is no, it doesn't there. So this guy is not our choice. Let's try 3, 4. Well, y is 4. Does that equal 3 plus the 1? Yes. And then 3, 4. Does 3 plus 4 equal 7? Yes, it works for that one and that one. That means this was the solution. And again, if you and I solved it by using substitution, we would see 3, 4 was the solution. That would be the point you and I would arrive at getting. Number 2, check 1, 5, -1, -3, or 2, 0. Let's start at the bottom this time. We're going to start at 2, 0. We're going to see, does this guy work? So y is 0 does that equal -5 times x being 2 plus 10? That's -10 plus 10. Yeah, that works. Does it work for the bottom? Does 2 plus 0 equal 2? It does. Wow, that was lucky guess. 2, 0 is the solution. That's the point of intersection of these two lines. Number 3, we're going to plug in 2, 1. Let's start with B. We started with A first time. C, let's start with B. Plug in -3, 4. Okay. So this one, y is 4. Is that greater than, now notice this is a system of inequalities. There could be all types of solutions. All of these could work, but I told you I only picked one. But normally on a real SOL, you'd have to try them all. So y was 4, greater than 3 times x is what? -3 minus 1. Okay, that's what? -9 minus 1. That's -10. Is 4 bigger than -10? Yes, that's true. Let's try this guy now. Maybe we got lucky again. -3 plus 4, is that bigger than 4? 1, is that bigger than 4? No. Darn it. We'll try A. 2, 1. Okay, I'm going to do it right here. So I'm going to do the first equation right here. Y is 1. Is that bigger than 3 times the x value of 2 minus 1? 6 minus 1 is 5. Is 1 greater than 5? No. Well, we know it's C, but let's just check it. We'll do it in purple here. Y is 9. Is that bigger than 3 times x3 minus 1? 9 minus 1 is 8. Is 9 bigger than 8? Yes, so it works for that one. And then plug in here. Is 3 plus 9 bigger than 4? Yes. So yes, it is 3, 9. And number 4. Who do we want to try? Yeah, let's go. I'm going to go with, let's try A. We'll do A, C, then B. So let's try 4, 6. So y is 6. Is that less than 4 times 4 minus 1? Yes, 16 minus 1 is 15. 6 is less than 15. It works there. Let's see if we get lucky. 2 times 4 plus 6 greater than 9. 8 plus 6 is 14. Is that greater than 9? Yes. Yes, it was A. Nice. Now know that it could be this guy and this guy. However, I told you that I only am picking one answer here. On the test, that could be different.